So, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to the opening night of the Indian Film Festival. We are very excited to have you here in Berlin. Thank you for coming. Uh, we'll start right away. How are you feeling about the movie being screened at the
I'm
festival?
feeling very excited about the movie being screened here because the title has a correlation with the city,
Yes.
and I'm very excited to see how the local German audience would respond to it because it has a connection with the history of the city as well. So that's my excitement.
Yeah, it's a spy thriller, a very unique mode of movie making as well. Can you tell us a little bit about the nuances of this movie, perhaps?
Yeah, I don't look at it as a spy thriller because you don't actually see any spies at work. It's mostly the two amateurs who are doing the most of the spying in the film, and not very well at that. But it's just the resonance with the history that it shares and the period that it shares with this city is what I'm quite excited about, and how it plays out like a usual thriller. You know.
And what was your motivation to even make this movie in the first place, and why this one?
I think to give a voice to the marginalized, the unheard. So a deaf mute person is a metaphor for that, and that was the primary motivation.
No, we're all actually really looking forward to how it's been made, how it feels on the big screen.
Right.
Yeah. Um, can you tell us a bit about your impressions of Berlin, the city?
Well, I've been only here for a couple of hours, but it's interesting. I love the way the history has been preserved, and it's very different from Paris in that sense. Though Paris also has a similar thing in Europe, but there's a certain socialist formality about Germany still. I think it runs in the veins, and that is what is exciting about it, or unique about it, is what I've enjoyed.
And any other movies you're really looking forward to watch at the festival?
Masoom. Yes.
Did you watch it the first time over?
Yes, I watched it as a child. I was taken to the cinema hall by my aunt and my grandmother, but I'm again looking forward to watch it on the big screen.
No, I think we all have childhood memories with that movie and our parents taking us. And for a complex theme like that, the fact that it was embraced by all families, all age groups as something that is to be seen.
And the song was very popular with the kids, Lakdi Ki Kaati. It's one of my childhood favorites. Grown up on that song, so definitely.
Great, then that's all. Thank you so much for being here, and you have a great evening.